Welcome to our video comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit. Both gimbals are designed to provide excellent stabilization for your smartphone videos, but they come with different features and price points. In this video, we will break down their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is right for you. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is priced at $99 US, making it a more affordable option for those looking for a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit is available for $109 US. While it comes at a higher price point, it includes additional features that may justify the extra cost for some users. Both gimbals offer excellent 3-axis stabilization with iSteady 7.0 technology, ultra-wide angle mode, and 600 degrees inception mode. However, the Mobile Plus kit stands out with its included magnetic fill light, which allows for better lighting control during video recording. This added feature can be particularly beneficial for vloggers and content creators who often shoot in varying lighting conditions. Both gimbals boast impressive battery life, lasting up to 13 hours on a single charge. This means you can shoot for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, both models can function as power banks, providing extra convenience for users on the go. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit offer excellent stabilization and features for smartphone videography. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Mobile Plus is a great choice. However, if you require enhanced lighting capabilities, the Mobile Plus kit may be worth the extra investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.